Hey guys, back to the channel. Today we got some new leak stuff coming to Prodigy, so let's get into the video. Alright, so we have some new stuff that is going to be coming for Winterfest, along with a new Magicoin update. This has been leaked for about a week, and it seems like it's sort of out now. I do have it on my main, so we'll look at that in a little bit, but first we are going to look at some leaked buddies for Winterfest that are actually in-game. So if we go down all the way to here, we have a few new leaked buddies. This cool sun is a new one. I think this is probably going to be for Summerfest. I'm not 100% sure on that, though. I don't think that it will be coming for Winterfest, obviously. Maybe it'll come for Treasure Track before that, but sort of I think this is going to be for Summerfest. The description for this is bouncy and full of energy. This buddy will be the life of any party, and this has a power bonus of 45. Now we also have the candy cane buddy, which this is what it looks like. It's just some sparkles and then a candy cane with a bow tie on it. And it says candy cane buddies are hard to find because they are usually eaten by unknown hungry wizards. So yeah, I think this one will definitely come in Winterfest, or maybe a treasure track. It'll come in one of those, probably. Not really any other way that I see it coming out. Now we do also have a new buddy called the Cyber Puppy, or not puppy, I guess it's just Cyber Pup. And this is actually a redesign of a buddy. I think it's maybe one of the first redesigns for a buddy that we've gotten. And this is, and it says a super cybernetic puppy with tons of gadgets and doodads. Don't know what those words mean. And it has a defense bonus of 65. So if we go up to somewhere around here, I think that we're actually pretty close to it. I pretty much forgot the Robo Pup. I forgot that this was in the game. I don't even remember what it looked like before. But this got updated to be rasterized and HD. So, yeah, that one that we just looked at is a reskin for it. I don't know if they're going to be doing more of those. I think this is pretty much one of the first ones that we've gotten. And then we also got the mini Spybot updated to be rasterized in HD up here. It doesn't look as good as it did before, in my opinion. And it says he always has your back and never leaves old batteries on the sidewalk. I guess I didn't really need to say that. This has already been in the game. But this is also getting a redesign as well, which this kind of makes me feel like we could be getting a robot-themed treasure track now that we have the Cyber Pup and then the Hero Bot, which seems to also be sort of like robot-themed. And I guess we have a few pet gears that could go along with this. There are no leaked ones, but I do think that there are some previously released pet gears that look like they could go along with this. And it says, always ready to protect and serve. It can also make a mean iced tea. So yeah, that is that buddy. I sort of think that this could be an opportunity for us to see some of those buddies that have been leaked for a while, like that slime one. But yeah, maybe we'll see it, maybe we won't. We'll just have to wait and see. I think that we will have a treasure track that is robot themed. And then we also have a new buddy, which is called Horse. This is what it looks like. And it says a galloping, trotting horse that neighs on occasion. I guess we can see what it looks like when it's walking. So yeah, nothing too interesting there. And then we also did get a mount, which I assume will be coming for Winterfest or will be in a treasure track. It says the Yeti Fest Ball, which I don't know if they're going to be rebranding Winterfest to be called Yeti Fest. Hopefully not. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Let's go ahead and put this on to see what it looks like when we're riding around in it. So it's kind of just like that one morph marble that we already have, and we also kind of have it as a buddy. That would actually be interesting. I guess that we probably can get it as a morph marble, and I guess I'll see what it looks like when you're riding it with this as your morph marble. So I'll see you guys once I do that. So sadly, you can't see the mount when you have this morph on, so that was kind of a waste. Also, another thing that was added in game, Wendigo. I don't think that we can actually see it on this account. Wendigo's name was changed. Its name is now Tundrift, and it was updated because it was offensive or something like that. I don't really know too much about it. But yeah, it was updated to be called Tundrift. And then moving over to my main account, we do have this new thing right here which says collect, and there's a Magicoin icon. So if we click on this, we can, or I guess it says this is where you can collect 3 gold and Magicoin every day. Let's collect your gold now. So you can collect your gold and you get 50 gold, not too much. And it says play Prodigy every day at home to collect your free Magicoin. So if you play after like 4 p.m., I guess it is, you will get Magicoin. So yep, we get just 5 Magicoin from that. Nothing too much. That's only like 150 a month. 1,500, 1,800 maybe per year. And it says come back every day to collect more gold and Magicoin. I kind of have a theory on how you could cheat this, but we'll just have to see what happens with that. I can't really do it in this video, but yeah, that is sort of everything to do with that, although I think that there might be something else with it that we'll get into in a second. So a few new images. This one is called Spine MLP Chest. I don't know what MLP stands for. But I think this has to do something with the new Magicoin update. So if we go ahead and see what this looks like when it's put together, it's a chest. We have a star up here, and if we play the idle animation, it's shaking somewhat, and then it has like this sparkling in it. I think this is the only animation for it. Yeah. So this is some sort of new chest. I think that it will have extra rewards if you're an Ultra membership. We also got this, which is called Spine MLP Epic Pets, and this is just Luma and Mag Mayhem. So if we go ahead and look at this, it's not really anything too special. It's just them coming into view, and then it's just their idle animation, sort of. We also got this, which is called Spine MLP More Pets. I assume this would be like telling you that you can get more pets by getting an Ultra membership or something like that. And then this is just that. It's kind of just all the pets coming into view. Nothing too interesting here either. We also have Spine MLP Pet Upgrades. So this would be telling you that if you get membership, you can upgrade your pets or something like that. And then here's the animation for that. So, the one thing that I think is interesting, I think this is supposed to be order, which in that case, this wouldn't be too interesting. I don't know what this lightning bolt is supposed to mean. I know this is supposed to be you can level up your pets higher. This is you can merge your pets, which I'm pretty sure you can do that without membership. Hopefully, they do not make it so that you have to have membership to merge pets, because that would suck. And then I don't know what this one is. Maybe just higher stats or something like that. So yeah, that is that animation. And then we have 2 more. We have this one, which is pretty much the exact same as the previous one, Spine Ultra Chest. If we play this, it's shaking every so often. And then the final one is Spine Ultra Chest Coins. So Ultra membership seems like it would give you extra Magicoin as well, which these appear to not have any animation associated with them. So yeah, hopefully it's just that you can get extra Magicoin from from having Ultra membership, and it's not that you're going to only be able to level up pets, or I guess evolve pets, if you have an Ultra membership. Hopefully it's not that, because that would kind of be regressing on what they had done before. Hopefully it's just extra Magicoin. But yeah, I am not 100% sure on that. And then we also have this, which is called UI Shared Revamp. I don't think anything too important is here. I think the only things that were added were these 2 Magicoins down here, this purple podium, and then this one right here. I don't think this will be anything too important. Maybe it'll have, like, you can share that you got Magicoin or that you evolved a pet or something like that in Wizard Watch. Hopefully it isn't that though, because that would be kind of annoying. But yeah, that is something that we could potentially be seeing. And then a few other things that were added. I don't know how important these are going to be. I think that this could potentially have something to do with Winterfest and maybe a boss that we're going to be getting. Hopefully it's not though. So I made a community post, I guess it was like 2 days ago, saying that there was a new worm thing, like face, that was added into the assets. It's just like Makalu from Crystal Caverns, or the ice worm that's in Shiver Chill. That sort of seems like it could possibly be the boss for Winterfest. Hopefully it's not though. But there was a new sound effect called Worm Roar Double. I'm not gonna play it because it's pretty boring. It's just a roar for 2 seconds. And then we also got Worm Roar Double Ice Magic and Worm Roar Single Ice Magic. I don't know if these will be for Winterfest. Hopefully they're not. And then a few things that were added into the data. So we have get more pets, and it says Magicoin Advantage more pets. So hopefully this means that you're just going to be able to get more pets with Magicoin, and that you're not going to have membership to get more pets. Because as I was saying a little earlier, that was sort of a concern I have, but this sort of makes it seem like those concerns aren't really that big. And then we also have heading members get more epic pets and pet upgrades. And then we also have, this is where you can collect free gold to Magicoin every day. We pretty much already read through all of this. And then if we keep going, post-battle tip, win battle, earn stars. Win battles and earn stars to level up. And then we have rift selection, first time reward heading, first time reward blank, new event, new event. This rift cycle lasts 60 days, so I guess we're going to be getting new rifts that are going to be 60 days long, which is kind of good. Then we have rift cycle text 2. The portal changes to a new element every week, so maybe we're getting permanent portals, I'm not really sure. Then we have rift cycle text 3. Earn golden scales and get awesome rewards, and then changes every week, and days. So it seems like we could be getting these scales from, I guess it would be the Astral Rift, since that sort of seems like the one that we're going to be getting first. It seems like that we could be getting that currency to come. Potentially it could be out now. I don't really think it is. Based on what was added to the metadata, or I guess the lack of stuff added to the metadata, it doesn't seem like this was updated today. Maybe we'll see it tomorrow. Maybe we'll see hard mode, like the finale for hard mode come out tomorrow. We did get a few files updated for hard mode, so maybe we see it tomorrow. I think it will definitely come on a Thursday, but I'm not sure if it's this Thursday. Hopefully it is. But yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. Let me know what you guys think of this new Magicoin update. If you do have Ultra membership, let me know if you actually get more Magicoin than just these 5. If you get more gold than 50, because I do not have Ultra membership and I do not plan to spend money to buy one. So yeah, that is going to go ahead and end the video. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and bye.